When your daughter says, Daddy, make me a pizza, will you come running down here and make her one?
No, we make English muffin pizzas. That's what started all this.
Russ and Daughters, to me, is this connection to history. Tradition, non-pretense, simplicity.
There is no secrets and recipes. It's your soul, it's your heart, it's how you cook.
You brought a tandoor oven on his private plane?
Yeah.
That is awesome. This is like being a painter. Absolutely everything in this place has so much meaning. Why do you put that in there?
To make it come together, make it bind together like love in a family. Everything is family and love.
You should be able to read the New York Times through it.
Can I read the menu? I can make out the ice cream.